So now when the engine's hanging, step 2, let's just do a cowling. Now, we need to get a spinner bulkhead here, and we need it to be about a 1/4 inch shorter than the final prop extension in order to get some clearance from the cowling to the spinner. And so then when we put a longer spinner extension in here, it'll stick out a little bit more, and the prop will have clearance to the cowling. So I got some old pieces I had in the back. They're about 1/4 inch or so shorter than my final prop extension, and I'm ready to put a cowling on. All right, so we threw the cowling up there, lined it up in the front. I usually like to trim away a little bit of meat right here as it comes up towards the end. It makes it so that when you drop it down, you don't have to drop it down as far before you can come forward and during removal. Got the cowling up there by just trim a little bit around the nose wheel so you can get it up there. And then push this up and then draw a line on the inside here. Take the cowling back off and then trim that line 1/2 inch this way so you get a little bit of overlap. And that's it. Looks beautiful. Now let's fasten that and do the top. Co-pilot side hinge. I've got that put in. Put it in with an offset to the hinge. So this side is out a little bit. So you flip the hinges around from the way they're shipped. Now I'm putting it together with a fat hinge pin, and then when it's all done, I've got everything lined up, I'll put the slightly undersized ones in. So in one day we can do an engine installation, hanging the engine basically on the mount, getting the engine level with the cage of the airplane, and install the bottom cowling. Actually, we started like midday today, and then we had a nice dinner. It is Sunday. So a few hours later, engine on the plane, cowling mounted, ready for the top cowling in the morning.